Hey lovelies, today we're gonna be making spicy gizzard jollof rice. So in a pot, we're gonna go ahead and add our oil, and then add in our tomato paste, and then stir it for a little bit. And then you go ahead and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then you add in your pepper mix, which is about onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper. And then you go ahead and you stir that too for a while. Let it sit and cook for about 30 minutes, and when it's almost done, you're gonna go ahead and add your spice. I added one onga cube to it, and you go ahead and you stir that too very well and let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. So now that the stew is ready, we're gonna go ahead and add in our rice, and then stir that to let the stew mix up with the rice, and then add in your water. Try to keep the water to a minimum, and then you add in your salt to taste, and then you stir it for a bit, and then you're gonna also go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 40 minutes. And about 40 minutes it was ready, so I went ahead and added my gizzard, and this was the final look. Thanks.